In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Wi-Fi sign like this so you can post it in your home and guests can use your Wi-Fi information. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my board in here. It's set up to cut the keyhole slot in the back. This will be used to hang it flush on the wall. I like to do these. I always hated when you use the sawtooth style hangers that the thing never, whatever you're hanging, it never seems to hang flat. So I use these. Really easy. It's easy to get them level. So you put one screw in the wall and fix it on there and slide it till it hangs level and you're done. It's the most hassle-free way that I've found to hang things. So I'm going to start that, and once I do that, then we're going to cut out the design for the sign on the other side. So all I've done so far is I stained the entire board with the color I wanted, and then on the surface side I hit it lightly with a spray-on polyurethane, mostly to kind of protect that stain finish. Also, if for some reason when I go spray paint the cutout area, if somehow paint got on the surface, it would give a little bit of a protection that I could probably, hopefully, get the paint off that surface. So that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna get started. Okay, so as you've seen me use this in the past, if you've watched any of my other videos, I'm going to put this Oracal 651 on here. It's going to be the mask I use so that after it cuts away, then I can spray paint the letters and everything out to create that contrast I'm looking for, because this is a pretty light stain. It's not going to provide a lot of contrast. And so the paint that I'm going to hit it with will really make everything pop. So I'm just going to attach this, and I've got the router bit in. It's a 60 degree V-groove bit. I get those from Tools Today. Love the bits. I will provide a link down in the comment or in the description. I'll also provide a link to this Oracal. Works really well. So I'm gonna do that, and then we will get cutting. All right, so it's all cut out. I'm gonna hit this with some paint, and then I'll be able to peel this mask off. Okay, I'll let that dry and probably hit it with at least one more coat just to make sure it covered well. I can actually already see spots where it didn't. Hit this down here a little bit better. All right, so now I'm ready to peel off this mask. Take the tape off first. You don't always have to use the tape. It's just I was a little bit short on the mask, so I wanted to cover up the edges. I didn't want to accidentally get paint down the sides, so I just decided it would be better just to go around it with some tape. final product. I'm actually going to cover up the password just because if you ever visit the Edgewater Resort, I don't really want a whole bunch of people on my network at the same time. So just in case, to protect the speed of my part of the network, I'm not going to share that password out. So other than that, it's pretty good. I did get a little bit of paint bleed right here. I might lightly sand that, and I'm going to hit this with a coat of clear coat. But that's pretty much how it's going to look. So we'll get a picture of it hanging on the wall. Post here at the end. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Other ideas that maybe you have for signs similar to this, or if you have questions, be glad to answer any questions you would have. Don't forget this mask stuff, Oracal 651, I believe is what it was. I always forget that number, but I'll leave the link down in the description so that you can access that. It is the best masking material I've used. It's really durable. It doesn't peel up. Sometimes you get some kinds that will just peel up as they get cut away. This doesn't do that. I don't usually have any bleed underneath. I have a few spots here, and I actually don't know if that is from bleed, because it's out in the middle. I don't think it's from bleeding through. I think it's possibly from when I tore this off. Somehow some transferred on, and it should have been dry because it's been close to 24 hours since I painted it. But and then I have a little streak here, but that was where I had the mask was a little bit short, and I used the tape. So I don't know how it got through, but that was definitely user error if that's the case. So other than that, there it is. So thanks again.